So today we will be learning an interesting topic about household items in kitchen. Yes, in previous we have learned about household items in bathroom and bedroom. Now we will be learning about all the household items that we keep in a kitchen. Okay children, let's start. Let's dive into this video. Look at the picture. This is our kitchen. Yes, this is our kitchen. Everybody have kitchen in their home, right children? Yes, where we cook our food, where we eat tasty foods. So let's understand what are the items that we keep in a kitchen. Okay? Look at this. This is a gas burner. G-A-S-B-U-R-N-E-R. Gas burner, where we prepare or cook our food. That item is called gas burner. The next is chimney. C-H-I-M-N-E-Y. Chimney. This is a chimney. You have chimney at your home? We place a chimney up in the stove so that whatever we cook, all the gas and all the smoke goes up. Item is called a chimney. Next we have a refrigerator or fridge. R-E-F-R-I-G-E-R-A-T-O-R. Refrigerator. You love keeping your fruits, your veggies and other stuff in your refrigerator, right? You love ice cream also, right? So this is called a refrigerator. Next is cooking pot. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking P-O-T pot. This is a cooking pot where we prepare our food. Next is a mixture grinder. M-I-X-I-E-R-G-R-I-N-D-E-R. Mixture grinder, where we mix all our stuff or juice or other various stuffs in it. This is called a mixture grinder. So far we have learned various household items in the kitchen, right? Let's repeat with me again from the starting. This is a gas burner. This is a chimney. This is a refrigerator. This is a cooking pot. And this is a mixture grinder. So far we have learned these all names. Now we will be learning about other name. This is a microwave. M-I-C-R-O-W-A-V-E. Microwave. O-V-E-N. Oven. Microwave oven, where we preheat our cooking food and also prepare delicious food. This is called a microwave oven. Now we will see the next household item in the kitchen. This is a spatula. S-P-A-T-U-L-A. Spatula. We use spatula to stir fry our veggies or stir fry other items while cooking. Next we have an electric kettle. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C. Electric, K-E-T-T-L-E. Kettle, electric kettle. We use the electric kettle to heat our water. Yes, for heating water or for hot water, we use electric kettle. The next one is chopping board. C-H-O-P-P-I-N-G. Chopping board. B-O-A-R-D. Chopping board. This is a chopping board where we chop our veggies and fruits and other various stuff. So this is called a chopping board. The next is a knife. K-N-I-F-E. Knife. We use knife while cutting our veggies and fruits. This is knife. But children, you should never touch a knife, right? Okay, you should always avoid using knife. It's very harmful and it's dangerous. So this is a knife. Next we have spices. S-P-I-C-I-E-S, spices. We have different types of spices that we use in our food to make it more tasty and spicy. These are called spices. So far we have learned various household items that we keep in the kitchen. We will repeat all the names again with me. Repeat it, children. This is a gas burner. The next is chimney. The next is refrigerator. The next is cooking pot. The next is mixture grinder. The next is microwave oven. The next is spatula. The next is electric kettle. The next one is chopping board. The next is a knife. Next we have spices. So these are all the household items that we use in our regular basis. Okay, these are all household items in the kitchen. Okay children, I hope you have learned all the names very carefully, right? This is very interesting to learn. You can recognize it with the help of the pictures. You can see the pictures, memorize all the items that we have learned. Okay? If you haven't understood, repeat the video again at your home. Okay children, till then, take care. Goodbye.